Hello, Twetwe. You would not believe it. It seems as if the secret has been let out of a bag. You guys remember the appeal court who who made a judgment in favor of Tinubu that Tinubu actually won the election, and the judge, that pronounced the conflicting, judgment in Kano State, whereas the CTC copy is saying one thing, the court judgment is saying another thing. Both of them has been rewarded, you know, a Supreme Court job. Is this telling us that indirectly these people are getting, reward for their assignment that they carries out for APC? Is that what is happening here? Is that what is going on? Because I just cannot help but think that that is exactly what is happening, because it's just a month after that judgment, and look at what is happening now. It's looking as if they were promised this job, and as soon as they carried out their assignment, they are given the job. That is the way it's looking to me. But you all, let me have your opinions in the comment section. What do you all think about this? Breaking news: Head of Presidential Election Appeal Court Panel, Justice Aruna gets Supreme Court job. Hello and welcome back to Newsroom Nigeria. If this is your first time here or you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video, leave your opinions in the comment section below. Justice Aruna Samani, the lead judge for the Presidential Election Petitions Tribunal that affirmed the victory of President Bola Tinubu in the February 25 poll, is one of those that has just been recommended to the Supreme Court bench by the National Judicial Council. Samani presided over the five-man appeal court panel that included Justice Stephen Ada, Justice Monsura Bolaji Yusuf, Justice Moses Ugo, and Justice Abba Mohammed. The Presidential Election Petition Tribunal, in a unanimous decision, held that the People's Democratic Party and Labour Party candidates Atiku Abubakar and Peter Obi, respectively, as well as other petitioners, failed to substantiate their allegations against the poll conducted by the Independent National Electoral Commission. On Wednesday, the NJC recommended Samani and 10 other justices for appointment to the Supreme Court bench. They are Honorable Justice Jumai Anatu Sanke, OFR Honorable Justice Chidebere Onwauma Uwa, Honorable Justice Choma Ogondo Nwosu Eheme, Honorable Justice Aruna Simon Samani, Honorable Justice Mo Asemo A. Adzomai, Honorable Justice Obande Festus Ogbuyiwa, Honorable Justice Stephen Jonah Ada, Honorable Justice Abib Adewale Abiru, Honorable Justice Jamilu Yamama Tuko, Honorable Justice Abubakar Sadiq Umar, and Honorable Justice Mohammed Baba Idris. Meanwhile, one of those also nominated to the Supreme Court bench, Justice Mo Asheomo A. Adzumai, has also been in the eye of a storm over the controversy that trailed the Court of Appeal's verdict on the Kano State governorship election. The controversy was caused by the difference between the verdict of a three-member panel led by Justice Adzumai and the content of a certified true copy of a judgment made available later. The CTC contradicted the judgment read in court, which sacked Governor Abba Yusuf. You all, what are your thoughts? Let me have them in the comment section. Let's discuss and rub minds in the comment section below. Like this video as well. Before we go, let's take a look at some of the reactions we got online. Yahaya Adu Idris says, appointment of justices of a Supreme Court is purely and basically on quota system and not political. Tagging the appointment of a justice as being political is wrong. It's a misinterpretation of a process to the people, thereby making them to believe that the recommendation of a justice came as reward for a job well done. Meanwhile, in actual sense, it is not. The heading of this report needs to be retitled. Please, that is in your own opinion. You know, I do not dispute that. Basically, the appointment might be, with quota system, but in a situation where you've been given an assignment, you've done it. Probably, if they had gone with quota system, you you wouldn't even smell Justice Samani, for example, wouldn't smell the Supreme Court job in the next, let's say, 6 years. But because of these well done assignments, they had to speed it up for him. What about that? It's still quota system, Abi. But because someone is more preferred than the other person, they had to put him in front of the line. And I think that is exactly what happened here. Azan Ado says, there are three judgments, one by the people, two by posterity, three by God. As such doing, its rights will always vindicate whoever. From Umogbu says, this country cannot be good with the kind of people in the role of leadership. Yusuf John says, yeah, Supreme Court job, there is nothing you and I can do about it. Those who play the flute dictate the tune. From all indications, only D can flush Bola Tinubu out of Nigeria. Only death. Maggie Edo says he has told them that their job is secured. He only became president to be sharing an appointing position. Idu Victor says he who kill by a gun will surely die by a gun. Lastly, Ikechukwu Donato says, "O Nigeria, my country, the head of the 5 wise men who delivered the controversial judgment have been rewarded for his arched job. That's Nigeria, my country, fast becoming a laughingstock to other nations where people in position of authority have sold shame and bought disgrace to themselves and their families. Oh, Nigeria, my country, it's really unfortunate we find ourselves in this mess. You all, what are your thoughts? You guys know I don't know much. I'm just keeping it real. Like this video, subscribe. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye for now.